Good morning, Cages, and welcome to our online learning class. So today, we are going to have our general knowledge class, and our lesson is all about the sound of the letters L, M, F, S. Our objectives are the following: show respect to the nature, review sounds of the letters L, M, F, S. So the following materials are needed for us to meet our objectives. We need your Pockets textbook, Pockets workbook, your pencils, your scissors, and your glue. So first, let's review the letters L, M, F, S. So the first letter is the letter L. Now, what sound does the letter L have? Very good. It is the L sound. L in lemon. Next letter is the letter M. And what sound does the letter M have? It is the M sound. M in man. And the next letter is the letter F. F has the sound of F in fan. And the last letter is the letter S. And what does the sound or what does the letter S have? Or what's the sound of the letter S? It is the S sound. S in soup. Very good. Let's repeat. L, lemon. M, man. F, fan. S, soup. Good job, Cages. Now this time, I'd like you to bring out your Pockets textbook and your pencil. Now open your Pockets textbook on page 107. Now look at the boy. Where is the boy? Very good. The boy is in the park. And what does the boy see in the park? Yes, the boy sees some butterflies. And the boy sees a butterfly on the rock. Now, what do you think the boy will do with the butterfly? Do you think the boy will crush the butterfly? Or do you think the boy will let the butterfly fly? And what will you do if you are the boy? Very good. We are going, or the boy is going to let the butterfly fly. And what does that show? Very good. That means or that shows that the boy respects the nature. Is respecting the nature good? Yes, that's correct. Respecting the nature is a good deed. Meaning to say, when we respect the nature, then the nature or the things around us will have more of its kind. For example, if the boy will let the butterfly fly, there will be more butterflies. If we will not cut the trees, there will be more trees. So, always remember, we have to respect the nature. Now, since the boy lets the butterfly fly, there will be more butterflies, right? Now, since there will be more butterflies, I'd like you to draw some more butterflies in the air. I'd like you to draw 4 more butterflies. So I'm gonna draw one butterfly, and I'd like you to draw your own butterflies later on. So how many butterflies will you draw? Okay, I'd like you to draw 4 butterflies. So again, always remember, we have to respect the nature. Respecting the nature means not hurting everything around us. Not hurting the butterflies, not hurting the animals. and not hurting the trees. You understand, KGs? Now this time, I'd like you to open your pockets workbook, your pencils or your pencil, your scissors also, and your glue. Now since we are going to use scissors this time, I'd like you to ask the help of your mom or your dad in cutting the pictures. Or if you want to cut the pictures, you have to cut properly and carefully. Now open your book on page 77. As you can see, there are two lions on this page. One lion is a happy one and the other lion is a sad lion. Now on this side, you can see some pictures. The pictures are pizza, lime juice, lollipop, and a bike. Now I'd like you to cut these pictures and then decide. If the picture begins with the letter L, I'd like you to paste the picture under the happy lion, or in the sad lion. May I repeat? If the picture begins with the letter L, then paste it on the happy lion. And if the picture does not begin with the letter L, paste it on the sad lion. May I repeat for the last time? If the picture begins with the letter L, then paste it on the happy lion. If the picture does not begin with the letter L, paste it on the sad lion. For example, the first picture is pizza. What's the beginning letter or sound of pizza? It's the letter P. So where do we put pizza, or where do we glue pizza? Is it in the happy lion or sad lion? Very good. It is under the sad lion because pizza begins with the letter P. Now let's go to the next picture. Lime juice. Lime. Now what's the beginning letter of the word lime juice? Is it letter L? If it's letter L, then glue it under the happy lion. Next, we have the lollipop. Lollipop. What's the beginning sound or letter of the word lollipop? If it's letter L, glue it under the happy lion. If it's not, glue it in the sad lion. And the last picture, we have bike. Bike. What's the beginning sound or letter of the word bike? If it begins with the L, glue it under the happy lion. If it's not letter L, then glue it on the sad lion. Now this time, turn your book on page 82 and 83. Now on your page 82, you can see these pictures. We have the lamp, lollipop, lime juice, father, farmer, family, balloon, monkey, and 5. Now, on the next page, you can see the lion and the fish. Lion begins with the letter L, or the L sound, and fish begins with the letter F, or the F sound. So, I'd like you to look at the pictures once again and look for the pictures that begin with the L and the F letters. If the picture begins with the letter L, paste the picture and put it on the head of the lion. If the picture begins with the letter F, then paste the picture on the fish. May I repeat? If the picture begins with the letter L, paste it on top of the lion. And if the picture begins with the letter F, paste it on top of the fish. For example, we have lamp, lamp. The word lamp begins with the letter L. So where do you put the picture of the lamp? Is it on the lion or on the fish? Very good. So the word or the picture lamp should be pasted on the lion. You understand, KGs? Good job. Now next, open your book or turn your book on page 84. Now, what I want you to do is color the things that begin with letter M and color it with blue. May I repeat? If the object begins with the letter M, color it with blue. For example, moon. Moon begins with the letter M or the sound of the letter M, which is M. So color the moon with blue. And if the object begins with the letter S or with the sound of the letter S as in S, then color it with yellow. May I repeat? Yellow. If it begins with S, color it with yellow. If it begins with M, color it with letter blue. Now, the first picture is sandwich. Sandwich. Sandwich begins with the letter S. So what color the sandwich will be? Is it blue or yellow? Very good. It is yellow. Next we have monkey. Monkey. So the monkey begins with the letter M. Very good. So what's the color of the monkey? Is it blue or yellow? Very good. It is blue. And the next picture we have seal. Seal. So what's the beginning sound or letter of the word seal? Very good. It is the letter S. So what's the color of the seal? Is it blue or yellow? Very good. It is yellow. Next we have mice. Mice. So what's the beginning letter or sound of mice? Is it M or S? Good job. It is the letter M. So the color of the mice will be blue or yellow? Very good. It's the color blue. And the last one is milk. Milk. So what's the beginning letter of the word milk? Is it the M or the S? Very good. It's the M. So what color the milk will be? It's the color blue. Good job, KGs. Now I'd like you to repeat the objects or the names of the objects after me. Sandwich, monkey, seal, mice, and milk. Good job, KGs. And the last one, I'd like you to turn your book on page 85. Now, what letter do you see here? It is the letter S. Very good. This is the big letter S. Now, on the right side, we have the small letter S. Now, trace and cut out the letters and paste the letter S or the small letter S beside the big letter S like this. And then paste the S next to the items that begin with the letter S. For example, this is 7. 7. So does the word 7 begin with the letter S? If yes, cut the letter S and paste it beside 7. Next, we have picture. We have sun. Sun. Does the word sun begin with the letter S? Very good. So, cut another letter S and put the letter S beside the word or beside the picture sun. Next, we have apple. Apple. Does the word apple begin with the letter S? No. So are we going to put letter S beside the apple? No. And the last picture, we have soup. Soup. Does the word soup begin with the letter S? Very good. So, cut the letter S and paste it beside the picture soup. Good job, Cages. Now let's review. What letter is this again? This is the letter S. And what's the sound the letter S make? It's the S. S in 7. Sun and soup. Very good, Cages. So, thank you very much. Thank you once again for listening. And once you're done with the classwork, I'd like you to take a picture of the classwork and send it in our WhatsApp group. Goodbye, Cages. See you tomorrow.